Mic ko na chat na. Mic ka lang. Yes, mic plus speaker. Yes. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible, right? Thank you. Okay, very good morning. And this is the IMC class. Still students are getting connected. I would just like to ask you all, do you have any difficulty in your internships or how to go about the analysis? Anybody has any difficulty per se? Am I audible in the first place? Please come back again. Narayan. Am I audible? Can somebody come in and tell me, am I audible, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now your voice is clear.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. So I wanted to ask you whether you have any problems in your internship analysis. You have done your questionnaire, and after your questionnaire, are there any difficulties for analysis? Because on 4th and 5th of May, you require to almost have your full report ready. If you are having any difficulty and if you want that there should be another session to be held for you, please let us know. We will have another Zoom session specifically for the analysis of your report. how we are going to cluster your questions, the answers, and how you are going to write the findings and the inference. That is what is very important. Interpretation of each question. How are you going to write it? So if you have any difficulty, please, you can tell me and we'll organize 1 hour session only for this. We don't want that at the end moment you come and you say this is not done and I'm having difficulty in specific question or analyzing and inferring it. So if anything is there, we still have time. We can always come back to us. Okay. Fine. We have 2 people teaching you now. We have one person, Upaldini, who is teaching you. So are you comfortable with him? Any issues there? Any problems?
No, sir.
It's
No,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Then you have one Omkar Dalvi, who is teaching you digital marketing. So is he okay with you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Because he is expert in digital marketing. He has his own firm. So maybe you have some difficulty in voice and just you can tell him speed, okay, to go slow. These things you can talk to them directly, you can request, okay. So please feel free to talk to your faculty. And I've told them, since we are online, nobody is going to take it hard. Okay, we are all here to see that we understand each other and do the work. And if any such thing is there, please tell them. If still it's not changing, it's not improving, you can always ring me in confidence, okay, and I'll take it. Okay. Now we have a subject, integrated management communication, very commonly known as IMC. And it's a very, very interesting subject, very interesting. Because when you learn this subject, you are going to connect it to a day-to-day advertisements that you see on the TV, in the boarding, in the newspapers, in the magazines, on the social media. And that is the time you understand, Arey bhai, this is what is IMC. Till now, you keep thinking that it's an advertisement. But every advertisement, when it is made, they will decide 3 things in it. In any advertisement. Okay. You also try to find out. 3 things will be very, very important. One is, what are you saying in the advertisement? Oral communication. Kya bol rahe ho? Next one is, whatever you're talking or saying in the advertisement, how are you showing it? Visual. How are you showing it? So what are you saying in the advertisement? And what you're showing, are these 2 things related? And अब जो भी दिखा रहे हो, is it sending some feelings to the people who are listening or seeing this advertisement? So this has 3 components. Every advertisement. Auditory component. What are you saying? What is the music like? What is the sound behind? How are you showing it? Scenery hai, pani hai, फॉरेस्ट है, क्या है, व्हाट इज इट, वेयर आर यू शोइंग इट, एडवर्टाइजमेंट का लोकेशन क्या है, and does the location actually match what you are saying? And the third one is, when you make that advertisement, is it sending some type of feeling to the viewer? ठीक है? Now, why do we say integrated management communication? Because it is integration of auditory, visual or written communication and kinesthetic or communication by gestures. इनका कॉम्बिनेशन है ये. That is why advertisements take a long time to be made. उसमें गाना कौन सा डालूं, म्यूजिक कौन सा डालूं, साउंड कैसा होना चाहिए, रिदम कैसा होना चाहिए, ठीक है, फाइनलाइज. बात कौन करेगा, who will say the dialogues, who will say the dialogues, how fast is he going to say, कौन से लैंग्वेज में बोलेगा, do you want a normal man to say the dialogue for you, do you want a brand ambassador to say the dialogues? ठीक है, ये भी दो हो गया, फिक्स हो गया. अभी वो करेगा क्या, स्क्रीन पे करेगा क्या, what will he do so that you know that feeling should come into me? And one fantastic advertisement is, if you have seen it, डर के आगे जीत है. What is the advertisement for? डर के आगे जीत है. Somebody 28 wants to say something. Yeah, 22.
Mountain Dew, sir.
Pardon?
Mountain Dew, sir.
Mountain Dew. Correct. Okay, tell me, who is the person who is doing this advertisement you are seeing on the TV? Who is he?
Hrithik Roshan.
ऋतिक रोशन. वेरी राइट, है ना? सो देखो, ऋतिक रोशन है, राइट? He is advertising for Mountain Dew. So there are dialogues और उसमें एक पंच लाइन है ना, डर के आगे जीत है. And what is that advertisement showing you, where you get some feeling in the whole advertisement? आपको कब एक धक करके एक ना you get a feeling of डर, which is that scene? Which is the scene that gives you some feeling of fear, adventure? What does he do? What does Hrithik Roshan do? Zora.
Yes, sir.
What does he do?
So they were racing something like that, and the guy was scared to, cross the mountain thing. So then he says that "Dar ke aage jeet hai," and he gives him a mountain view.
Correct, right? So there are two things. One is he jumps from mountain to mountain. One comes to the edge and he stops. अभी नया वाला है that in a ghat in a mountain there's a landslide and the road breaks and he goes you know through that demolished road. So see dar, jeet. They use these two words. When they use these two words, they have to show this thing on the screen. डर के आगे जीत है इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा उनको to put this information more powerfully into the minds of the viewers. Simply if Hrithik Roshan comes and he drinks a mountainous डर के आगे जीत है यार सब लोग पियो तुम डरना छोड़ दोगे. It will not work. Because he is not demonstrating anything by saying it. But here he demonstrates it. When he has his Mountain Dew sip, he feels that I should do this adventure, and he does it and he wins it. So this is integrated management communication. Anything that I do, it may be making a poster, a simple poster for advertisement. What do I write? अगर मैसेज मेरे को सीधा वैसे लिखना है तो what's the fun in writing? You would have seen a lot of admission posters. Some posters are very simple. Admission open from this date. Khalas. One poster will put over. Somebody else, they'll use the concept of integrated management communication. And their poster will say, if you want to be special, we are here. If you're looking for brand, we are here. Admissions open for scintillating and magnificent students to pursue their MBA. अभी सिंपल बात में लिख सकता था ना, एडमिशन ओपन बर्तर बरे तो हो रे बैटर बिट रे. आई एम जस्ट इन्फॉर्मिंग यू दैट एडमिशन ओपन. नहीं, we'll do artwork, we'll see how the color will look, what is the punch line, how my advertisement is going to be appealing to the people who will read it. Then I will not stop. I will not stop at only one print advertisement. I'll make a small video. I'll go to the social media. I'll put some students students feedback. I'll put some placement records. I'll put some other achievements that the department has. There are people who phone to students and tell, come take admission. This is one thing that KLMA doesn't do. We don't call anybody. You would have seen, we don't troll and follow anybody for admissions. So the moment I want to advertise, I will use all the types of communication to make an advertisement have a lot of impact. I'll also follow a lot of channel, print media, audio media. I may go to Venu Dhwani, FM radio, social media, holdings in public places. So when I say integrated, integrated मतलब सबको मिला के, integrate. I'll never depend on one method of advertisement. All possible things I'll add in them. रिटर्न भी आएगा, ऑडिटरी भी आएगा, वीडियो भी आएगा, बैनर भी डालूंगा. I'll get a film star ambassador also. I'll put feedback of students also, my stakeholders, feedback of parents also. And then what I get is something I call as a wholesome advertisement. Wholesome, सब कुछ है उसमें. I have spoken to you earlier. In the first year, we have seen some videos of little ads, if you remember. And we have seen a lot of videos also on that. How it started, 21 years. They had the almost similar type of a scenery, a waterfall, water, a lady with almost a green color type of swimsuit into the water. And to give the feeling of freshness, that masti, they bought that beautiful song. And the same tune stayed for almost 2 decades. So moment you hear na, 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 little, इसी एक थीम के ऊपर 20 साल उन्होंने निकाला. 2 generations are accustomed to this music. So see here, this is integrated marketing communication. When I say integrated management communication and marketing communication, it depends where you're going to use integrated communication. Simple as that. This ad, if you see, had all greenery. 80% of the screen was green and water. क्यों? मैं साबुन बेच रहा हूं. है ना? I'm selling a soap. I cannot take a soap and go to Thar desert, where a person sits and takes a bucket and soap लगाते हैं. नहीं, मैं क्या बेच रहा हूँ? साबुन बेच रहा हूँ. एड साबुन का है. फ्रेग्रेंस क्या है? लाइम है, नींबू. नींबू का कलर क्या है? येलो एंड ग्रीन. साबुन का कलर क्या है? येलो एंड ग्रीन. उसका कवर क्या है? साबुन का, लिटिल का, येलो एंड ग्रीन. When you see Preeti Zinta on the screen, when you see the model on the screen, you will see greenery, you will see water, you will see her clothes also green. Now they wanted to throw that flavor to the public. उसमें वो मस्ती दिखाया. They have shown the fun of using that soap, dancing, enjoying, throwing yourself in the water. So they took care of every aspect of passing the feelings of that soap and the fragrance to the public. ये तो हमारे आंख के सामने ये तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स है. Like this, when you start analyzing advertisements, you will go mad. You will feel so interested in it. अरे इसमें क्या इंटीग्रेशन है? इस एडवर्टाइजमेंट में इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? What is that is integrated in this? Sound है, text है, feelings है, color है. How they are showing the fragrance? ये fragrance और आपको वीडियो में नहीं दिखा सकते. How they are showing the fragrance? How do they sell fragrance on the TV? Now, how can they make this ad? You would have seen many advertisements where they sell fragrance without you even having a chance to smell it, to inhale it. Fog. What are they selling? What is fog selling? Fog is selling simple fragrance. They are selling fragrance in form of a deo. लेकिन बेच क्या रहे हैं वो? Fog बेच क्या रहे हैं? What are they selling? They are not selling deo. They are selling fragrance which is inside a container, and the name of the container is a brand called Fog, which you can either use it as a deo or as a spray. You have seen the advertisement of Axe. What are they selling? Many people say Axe is selling deo. Bullshit. Axe is not selling deo. Ask yourself whether Axe is selling deo. Axe is selling fragrance. And what a way to put it. See the beautiful words. I think you must have seen an ad where suddenly there's a gust of wind, सब कुछ उड़ के जाता है, and the fellow will be hanging, on that rod. उसकी shirt के सब फट के जाता है. One lady walks by. Now what she says? Anybody? What does she say? It's an advertisement of a fragrance. Anybody? I want interactive class. Where are you guys? Otherwise, I'll make you all come live. Number 53, come live and tell me which is the ad. MBA 53 USN.
Yes, sir.
Which is the ad?
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay. Who can tell about this ad? She says सब कुछ उड़ गया, लेकिन फ्रेग्रेंस रह गया.
Okay, it's fog.
हाँ?
Fog.
It is fog.
I think so, sir. I'm not sure. I think it's fog.
So see, what is he selling? They are selling fragrance. सब कुछ उड़ गया, सब कुछ उड़ गया, लेकिन आपका फ्रेग्रेंस रह गया. You are selling fragrance in the form of a brand called Fog. Axe. Beautiful ads. They put ads and all the girls are going beheading. So, when you talk about integrated marketing communication or integrated management communication, you have to consider all possible aspects of communication. एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट छोटा बच्चा भी देखता है, मिडिल एज भी देखता है, लड़का भी देखता है, लड़की भी देखता है, ओल्ड मैन भी देखता है, ओल्ड लेडी भी देखता है, हिंदी वाले भी देखते हैं, तमिल भी देखते हैं, गोवा वाले भी देखते हैं, आंध्रा भी देखते हैं, कर्नाटक भी देखते हैं, महाराष्ट्र भी देखते हैं। एक नेशनल टीवी में जब एड आता है तो whole of India is seeing, all demography is seeing. So how should my ad be made so that it will have equal impact on every person, every age, every sex, every religion, every caste, every language? सबको impact वो अच्छा होना चाहिए। वैसा ad बनाने के लिए I have to use my head and use all possible integrations. I have to integrate everything and make it very good. When you make a dish, you can simply make a dish, a pulao, put 2 vegetables, put pulao masala, make pulao and you keep it. But you use your integrated approach to everything that you do. Then you'll decide. ठीक है, पुलाव तो बन गया, उसमें गार्निशिंग क्या करूं, शो क्या करूं, बीच में एक टमाटर डाल के उसके अंदर एक कैंडल डाल के, how I keep the spoons, what is the type of dish I keep, how can I make it so presentable? So everything, friends, is presentable. You yourself are integrated people. If you want to come to college, you can simply wear a top, you can wear a jeans and just come off. But do you do that? You don't do that. You use the integrated approach. What hairstyle, what clip, what dress is matching, powder, rouge, brows, lipstick, nail paint, what type of sandal, what will go well? We use this integrated concept in every circle of our life. सब जगह हम लोग use करते हैं. And the same thing, friends, is used in integrated management communication, integrated marketing communication. Integration is nothing but getting all possible things together. Sound, visual, feelings. All the things together to make an advertisement very, very appealing for all possible people who watch this, from young to old at any age. So this was the introductory class of IMC. You have to give us another day's time till we start the whole regular class. Because of the pandemic issues, okay, we are also having some small difficulty here and there. We'll come back to you with the whole set of, our schedule for this semester. Okay, so we are done with time. I have just 2 minutes remaining. If any questions are there from your side, or like to take. Okay, there are 19 people. Please, again, I'm just want to tell you, this attendance is recorded, so we won't be able to make any changes. Below 80%, you'll be asked to take the next examination. Okay, I'll send you the video notice also. So if you are having difficulty in joining classes, anything, you can always join next time and take the next examination. All right, any questions? I think 09 wanted to ask something. Came in and went out again. We have a minute or two.
So you'll be taking attendance after the last class?
No, the attendance is already recorded here. There are 19 students, all the attendance is recorded, screenshots are taken.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So every class attendance will be recorded and we are sending every day to the university. So if you are falling short, you are responsible for that. We cannot help it. Because the university will say that if they had difficulty, no internet, they cannot attend, then they'll ask you to come for the regular classes later on and you'll have to answer your paper later on. So you may have difficulty in attendance. You have to attend these classes. Each of your number is seen here on the screen. Even you will be seeing there. All right then, thank you very much. And we'll see you again. Your next class will start as scheduled as the given time.